Hey, what's up guys? It's LipstickNick and I'm here today in the studio with the... Hey, what's up Morphe babes? It's LipstickNick and today we're in the studio with my good friend and lover and client and inspiration, muse, everything, all the things, Miss Nikita Dragun.
Hi Morphe babes, hi Nicole.
And today we're going to be diving deep into the Morphe X Nikita collection, which is, I can't believe
It's finally here.
It's weird to say it.
It's really weird.
Very weird to say it, but we're not only celebrating that, we're also celebrating the launch of Dragun Beauty, now being sold inside of Morphe stores and on Morphe.com, which is major. Yes.
My first time being anywhere else but Dragun Beauty.
I can't believe it. So if you guys have been wanting to shop Dragun Beauty or you want to check out the collections, you can head to Morphe.com. But today we're sipping and we're shading. So if you want to watch how we create these looks and hang out, kiki, and talk all about the collection, hang out with us and keep on watching.
I'm so excited for you guys to finally see it.
Okay, so we have the PR box right in front of us, and I know you've seen all the pieces. I've seen all the little pieces, but I actually haven't seen it like all together like this.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Maybe I saw a little peek.
Oh, okay.
Maybe a sneak peek.
Well, then it's gonna be a major surprise to me. So let's go ahead and open it.
Okay, what do we do?
Look how cute!
Yes!
Yes! Little Tokyo Drift moment. I just love the vibe.
Nikita.
Oh wow, this is beautiful. Oh my god. Shut up. I'm literally framing these in my house. Look at how beautiful you look.
Thank you. You made me look so beautiful.
Oh my god. Keep looking at the monitor. I can't have that monitor.
Sorry, is this chair too loud? I'm like over here, I just realized, I was like, what's that noise? And I was like, oh, it's my ass.
Wow.
Introducing Nikita X Morphe. Shout out to Morphe for giving me my own little embossment. 35 gorgeous shades.
How are we gonna do a look with this?
I really don't know. Like this palette offers like every fantasy in one.
But this is like full blown, like any eye look. Okay, obviously there's so many colors in here. So
Yes.
what if we put the names in a bowl and all the shade names, and then we pick a number like 1 through 10, and like whatever shades we pick, that's what we have to use on our eye.
Okay, I'm down. I'm down for a little challenge, a little
Okay, let's do
makeup
it.
challenge moment.
We have bowls with all of the shade names in here.
All 35 shade names in this bowl.
Okay, so pick a number 1 through 10. Pick a number 1 through 10.
Wait, what if we, no, we should do it like this. Hold on.
Okay.
Dragon.
Yeah.
Siri, pick a random number between 1 and 10.
The answer is 3.
Okay, so my
Okay.
number is 3.
Okay. Siri, pick a number 1 through 10.
The answer is 5.
Okay. I was like, no, don't say 10. That would have been bad. Okay, so you have 3.
I have 3.
Okay, pick your 3. Oh, ASMR with your nails at the bottom of the bowl.
Our first shade is Rasengan, which is the gorgeous blue shade in the palette. So we're getting a little blue, so hopefully we're already getting crazy, so hopefully I can get a neutral in here. Okay, next shade is, Sakura, so a nice little pink. A little pink moment. Okay, last one, it is,
One
another
flew
popped
out.
I'll do another one.
Yeah,
Why not?
okay. Wow,
it's
it wanted
hot.
to come out.
Baby boy, so that's also another blue, so gonna help me
Okay.
out. And then another one, cyborg. Oh my god, a silver.
Oh, perfect. Little
Wow,
metallic.
there we go.
You got good ones. First one is Shigo. The
Wait, you
green. I
literally-
literally said I want the, that's my favorite color, green. Cyborg. Okay, next shade is Metamorphosis. Which is
Ooh, a
that
cute-
really pretty color.
Shimmer.
Nikita.
Ooh, she's cute. She's a hot pink.
Cute. Okay.
The one Nicole and I literally had to fight for.
Okay, Shapeshifter.
Shapeshifter. Why do you get a
Wait, did I
transition
get a
color?
I get a transition?
Yeah, right there. Rude.
Now we need the sips.
Sips.
We're sipping on your favorite drink, which is definitely out of my comfort zone. What is this?
This is Malibu Pineapple. I get made fun of all the time for this drink. It is so sweet. It tastes like a beach. You know, it just tastes like pure
Vacation.
sugar and vacation,
like
but
vacation.
I love that.
Okay, so we're sipping, but there's another added twist. We have rules.
Okay,
Can someone tell us the rules?
tell us the rules.
Both of you have to take a sip every time one of you dips into a new shade.
Okay. Well, we don't have that many shades, right? I have 5, you have 3.
But
Right.
both of you have to take a sip every time you guys tap the excess off your brush.
Okay.
So we've got people who are watching
No
and
tapping.
we're just gonna yell out every
Tap
time.
police are here. Okay, let's do a little toasty.
Cheers.
Cheers to
another palette.
Love that.
I'm being a real bitch. You are a real.
You're a real bitch too.
bitch.
I love you. My little baby.
Mwah. Cheers.
Cheers.
So as we're priming, I think it'd be a good time to talk about what kind of inspired me for this collection in general. If you guys don't know, I've actually never done a makeup collab ever. Being that I started this makeup journey with Morphe in a lot of ways, because Nicole and I met really creatively in this journey when we did the Morphe Mega Matte collection, and we still talk about that lipstick collection till this day, because I feel like that was a moment when I was just like, oh my god, like wow, I really can maybe do something like this, or you know, be a boss, or I can like trust my creative vision. And I think that we all had so much fun. It was only fitting that I had my first collaboration be with Morphe.
I don't. Oh, we're sipping.
Every shade.
Me?
What do you mean?
Because we're
Did I? No, I didn't. Did I?
Yeah.
Really? Oh my god, I love how I do it like instinctually without even knowing. Tap my brush. Oh my god, I literally was about to do it again. Like without even thinking. I was telling myself don't do it and I literally almost did it. So I'm gonna use a little bit.
You see that little wisp in the air? That's allowed. Wow.
This gorgeous. Ah! This blue.
Wow, you're really just going right in there, huh? Okay, same. I just put Shigo all over the outer corner. I tapped. I told you the truth, you guys.
You guys, we're gonna get so drunk.
You tap and you're getting a new shade. So you do 2 sips.
Wait, when you get a new shade, you drink?
I tapped again. Oh my god. Darn.
Just kidding.
I almost did it a 3rd time in a row.
Now I'm tapping into Rasengan, which I have to drink now.
You're tapping?
I'm gonna like swirled.
Right.
So, Miss Nicole.
Yes.
The fans wanna know.
Oh, they do.
What inspired you to create the looks that we did for this campaign?
Wow, great question, fans. Thank you so much. First of all, I love
Me,
each and
I'm
every one
the
of
fan.
you.
I'm the fan. I'm the fan.
Okay, well, first of all, you inspired the first look, the green look, because you said you wanted something that felt kind of like Euphoria-esque, like Euphoria-inspired, but
dreamy.
like Nikita's version of that. And then the pink look was just very much inspired by like K-pop, over the top, almost like anime like inspired, like with the huge lashes. And then the last look, I wanted just something, it was giving me warrior vibes with the latex outfit and the hair. So I just wanted something that was like strong.
I love it.
You know, really just inspired. I tapped. Oh my God.
Nicole, we
give up.
drunk. We are gonna do it. It's fine. We'll drink.
Okay. Megan, whose team are you on? My assistant's giving me up right now. Deeper tone in the center. Evan? I did.
And now I'm dipping into Sakura, which is this gorgeous baby pink shade.
Yeah.
Wait, can I use another shade or no? I can't. I only can use this. I have to dip into Nikita. I don't care if I cheat. I'm sorry. It's such a gorgeous shade in this palette. Maybe I'm a little biased.
I need Sakura. I need that.
Yeah, you need.
I need it for my pink part. Okay, I'm using Sakura to buff out Nikita. So another fun element to your whole campaign that I love that I've never seen, well, no one's ever done this with us before, but you had an entire choreographed dance.
Yes.
That was a part of your whole promo video. Like,
I think joining every single part of me and really creating this Nikita palette, I needed to highlight every single part of my life. And obviously, like I said, it's like my everything to perform. So
you're always going all out too. Like,
yeah,
that's
all
just, like,
out.
what I love.
Like,
it's like no, there's no boundaries.
Never a boundary,
No.
never something I won't do, never half-assed. It really is about kind of going into the video game and creating and kind of, you know, transforming yourself in a lot of different ways and kind of bringing whatever you fantasize to life. They are policing you.
They're not
bitch.
policing you, which is there's something
'Cause
going
I've
on
been
here.
good. I've been good.
All
I
right.
haven't been tapping. I've been like policing myself.
Pack some more P. Louise in the center. Because I still have that metallic to use. I still have to put that somewhere. How's it going? You cut your. Oh,
I'm not done.
So I just added my cyborg color in this down the center. Okay, I just put Metamorphosis under my eyeball.
Nicole.
You're not drinking at all, and it's like
Because I haven't been tapping. Okay, so I'm gonna be using my trusty Dragun Beauty DragunWing Liner. This is in the shade Blackout, which I think we're about to be in a second.
Wow.
Wing liner moment.
Okay. All right, it's lash time.
Let me try for the very first time this Morphe. Also in the Morphe X Nikita PR kit, we have my 3 DragunGlass Liquid Lip shades. We have Dragon Blood, Nikita, and Bad Bitch. These are like my go-to essentials. We also have my brightening powder.
I'm using your new Lip Job lip liner in 2cc.
Yummy, I love 2cc. And I'm gonna be using 1cc.
I love this color. This is very me. And I'm gonna use Horchata, which is beautiful.
I'm gonna be using Bad Bitch because I'm feeling like a bad bitch today. Miss Cyborg as an inner corner.
You put it, ooh.
Okay. Cyborg, that really took it there. Wow.
That looks so pretty. Are we done? We're done. We really dove into all of the fun colors in this palette, and I know it's like obviously you can do the most like beautiful wedding natural makeup,
just one shadow,
whatever you want, but I like this game because it forced us to kind of step outside of our comfort zones.
Step up the artistry.
Step up the artistry, think on our feet.
Thank you, Ms. Nicole, so much for having me on the Morphe channel. Shout out to Morphe as well. Thank you so much for lending me your creative vision for my campaign. And thank you for just like being you and just being so amazing.
Oh my god, stop, I'm gonna cry. Thank you guys for watching us play this really fun Sips and Shades game using the entire Morphe X Nikita collection. If you guys want to shop this collection and play for yourself, make sure you guys hashtag MorpheBabe, or if you want to shop Dragun Beauty, which is now available at Morphe, head to morphe.com, and I will see you guys on the next episode. Bye!